we are clear, slide, and trigger. So we came out to the range today with our Sig P320, and this is my home defense firearm. And I've got a green laser mounted on here and show you how quick that laser is along with this light at nighttime. If you've never ran a light on your gun before, you need to come out to the range or find a place you can go and actually shoot the gun once it gets dark and see how effective a light is on your firearm. So we waited for it to get dark, so we're going to show you how to use your light at night here. We're going to use the optic, and then we're going to use the laser built into the light and show you all three of them at nighttime. So let's go ahead and turn the light off. So can you see anything really? Nope. All right. So you're outside at night or inside your home at night and you need to use your light, and here we go. And it's just that quick with the laser built into the light. With the laser built into the light, it is just that fast. So yeah, let's use the light and the optic this time. So the optic's a little bit slower because you're having to look through that to find it, and let's use the sights on the gun this time to do it. The sights on the gun are even slower. So when it comes right down to it, the light with the laser built into it is actually the fastest way to do this, right? Just to give you an idea of how effective a light can be on the gun at night or inside your home, and how quick it is to actually use it. And we are empty. Chamber is clear, slide, and trigger. All right, guys, so I just wanted to come out here and let you actually see how nice it is to have a light on your gun and be able to use it, and the light with the laser built into it. And this is the TLR Streamlight, the AG series. It's the TLR 8 that I got on here with a green laser on it. Really easy to install, easy to sight in, super easy to use, and super fast at night with your guns. So remember, be a responsible adult. Don't push responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun lots of gun safes. Till next time, folks, take care.